Ie, gêm digon anodd, ond jyst yn dangos y cymeriad sy'n yn y stafell newid na, ac yn y garfan i gyd. A deud y gwir i allu dod trwad a cael 3 pwynt mewn lle anodd i ddod. Felly, so drwy ni gael dangos cymeriad fel yna bob wsos, o'n i'n mynd bell y rong.
Oedd hi'n bwysig hynna fo chi'n ymatab ar ôl canlyniad y Sadwrn?
Oedd yn sicr ar ôl cael dechrau mor dda i'r tymor, yn amlwg yn colli gêm gyntaf dy Sadwrn mewn amodau anodd yn erbyn tîm da. Ond ia, i ddod yn ôl henodd, just cymeriad, gret.
Da ni wedi gorau defendio rhyw calad ar y degau fanna heno, a mae'r hogiau wedi dangos ochr arall i gêm i ni. A ia, swn i'n gallu bod mwy hapus.
Be nath plesio chdi fwyaf allan o heno, os rhywbeth?
Just y work rate, oedd yn cymryd plesar yn defendio, a weithiau pan ti'n dod i lle fath y Connah mae rhaid chdi neud yna. Ti'n mynd i gael y bel bob tro, so pam ti efo fo, mae rhaid chdi fod y dda, ond pan ti heb, mae rhaid chdi fod yn organised, mae rhaid fod yn disciplined, a ni'n meddwl bod ni'n gwneud bob dim fel a heddiw heb y bel, ffantastig.
Well, John, is frustration the overriding feeling at the end of that one?
Yeah, definitely. I think, key moments at key times probably went against us. We've missed another penalty. Again, at a time where you think if that goes in, then you're building a bit of momentum, and unfortunately it wasn't to be the case, and then we don't capitalise. We started the second half really well. I thought we played well all game, other than two moments when we have to defend our box, and we didn't manage to do that. We have to start keeping clean sheets. It's not good enough for the ball to keep going into our net. It's too easy, because again, teams aren't carving us open, and they're scoring very simple goals, in my opinion. So that comes down to people getting their body in the way, people defending the ball, people willing to put their heads where it hurts, people not dangling foot at set plays, and our key players being dominant. And unfortunately we're not doing that at the moment, so it's something that we have to continue to work on, because at the minute we have to score 2 goals to win a football match.